If you thought the Mini 5 Pro was the peak of compact flight, the latest leaks surrounding the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro are about to prove you wrong in the most dramatic way possible. We are talking about professional cinema-grade specs packed into a body that still doesn't require an FAA license to fly. This isn't just a minor refresh. This is DJI effectively killing the need for larger, bulkier drones for 90% of creators. Welcome back to TapTech. Today, we are diving deep into the most authentic supply chain-sourced leaks for the DJI Mini 6 Pro. We have data on a radical new sensor, a transmission system that defies physics, and a safety suite that finally makes night flying as safe as a sunny afternoon. If you are a creator in the US or any premium market, you need to hear this before you spend another $1 on current-gen hardware. The biggest bombshell is the camera. For years, we've dreamed of a true 1-inch sensor in a mini drone. While the Mini 5 Pro teased us with improved optics, the Mini 6 Pro is rumored to officially house a 1-inch Titan CMOS sensor. This is a massive leap for low-light performance. Imagine capturing noise-free 6K resolution footage at 60 frames per second from a device that fits in your jacket pocket. The sheer amount of data this sensor can pull in means a staggering 14 stops of dynamic range. For those of you shooting in high-contrast environments, think sunsets over the Manhattan skyline or the deep shadows of the Grand Canyon, this means your highlights won't blow out and your shadows won't turn into a grainy mess. But resolution isn't the only story here. DJI is reportedly introducing a revolutionary 225-degree rotating gimbal. We've seen vertical shooting before, but this new mechanical design allows for upward angle shots that were previously impossible without getting the drone's own propellers in the frame. This opens up a whole new world of architectural photography and creative looking-up transitions that were once reserved for the high-end Mavic series. Now, let's talk about the one thing that keeps every pilot on edge: safety. The Mini 6 Pro is set to debut what insiders are calling Nightscape LiDAR. This is a game changer. Standard visual obstacle sensors struggle in low light or with thin obstacles like power lines and bare branches. By integrating a dedicated LiDAR-based sensing module, the Mini 6 Pro can build a precise 3D map of its surroundings in total darkness. Whether you're doing a legal night flight in London or navigating a dense forest in the Pacific Northwest, the omnidirectional avoidance will be active and reliable, unlike anything we've seen in this weight class. Transmission is also getting a massive overhaul with the O5 system. We are looking at a potential 20-kilometer range with a rock-solid 1080p 60 FPS live feed. In premium markets like the US, where signal interference in cities is a nightmare, this O5 upgrade uses new frequency-hopping tech to ensure you never see that signal weak warning while you're trying to get the perfect shot over a crowded pier or a downtown district. Wait until you hear about the battery. There is a lot of chatter about new high-density cell chemistry that could push flight times toward the 45-minute mark with the standard battery and well over an hour with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. For a sub-249-gram drone, that is unprecedented efficiency. It means less time landing to swap batteries and more time actually capturing the story you came to tell. The integration with the latest DJI RC3 controller is also expected to be seamless, featuring a brighter 1500 nit screen for those midday shoots where glare usually ruins your visibility. We are also seeing leaks of a new social sync feature that allows the drone to proxy edit and upload 4K vertical clips directly to your phone while it's still in the air. As the competition heats up from brands like Autel and newcomers in the sub-250G space, DJI isn't just defending its crown, it's moving the goalposts entirely. The Mini 6 Pro represents a shift where mini no longer means compromise. It means professional power without the bureaucratic red tape. The expected release window for this beast is late 2026, and if the production leaks are anything to go by, it will be the most sought-after tech of the year. Make sure you stay tuned right here because as soon as the first hands-on units land, you'll see it here first on TapTech. We've covered the sensor, the LiDAR safety, and the incredible 6K capabilities. But there's one more detail: the internal storage. Leaks suggest DJI is finally ditching the tiny 8GB internal memory for a massive 42GB high-speed internal drive. This is a lifesaver for those days you forget your SD card at home. You can shoot a full flight of 6K footage without ever needing an external card. The software side is also getting an AI director mode. This isn't just basic tracking. It uses the new processor to analyze the scene and suggest cinematic flight paths based on the subject, whether it's a moving car, a hiker, or a landmark. It's like having a professional drone pilot and a cinematographer built into the flight code. Conclusion: the DJI Mini 6 Pro is shaping up to be the most significant release in the history of the Mini line. It bridges the gap between hobbyist fun and professional cinematography perfectly. If you are serious about your content and want the best possible image quality in the most portable package, this is the drone that will define the next 2 years of aerial filmmaking. The tech world moves fast, and DJI is currently moving faster than everyone else. This drone is proof that the best things really do come in small packages. We are watching the supply chain very closely and will update you the second more details on the launch event surface. The era of the pocket-sized cinema robot is officially here, and it is more powerful than any of us imagined. Furthermore, let's look at the cooling system. With a 1-inch sensor and 6K processing, heat management is usually a disaster in small frames. DJI has allegedly redesigned the internal heat sinks using a magnesium alloy that draws heat away from the core more effectively than the plastic housing of the previous generation. This ensures that even in the humid summer of Florida or the heat of the Mojave Desert, you won't face thermal throttling in the middle of a critical shot. The wind resistance is also seeing a bump. By tweaking the prop pitch and increasing the motor torque slightly, the Mini 6 Pro is rumored to handle level 6 winds comfortably. This makes it a viable tool for coastal creators who often find the smaller drones struggling against the sea breeze. Everything about this device suggests a move toward a no-excuses filmmaking tool. It's the drone for the traveler, the vlogger, and the professional who needs a backup that doesn't feel like a step down in quality. Thank you for watching this deep dive on the Mini 6 Pro. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to stay ahead of the curve on all things tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the TapTech community. We are dedicated to bringing you the most authentic, specification-heavy tech news without the fluff. Let us know in the comments. Is that 1-inch sensor enough to make you upgrade, or are you sticking with your current setup? We love hearing your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video if you're excited about the future of drones. It really helps the channel reach more tech enthusiasts like you. This has been another exclusive update from TapTech, your home for the most detailed and authentic tech reviews on the planet. We appreciate your support and your time. Keep creating, keep flying, and we will see you in the next one.